How to opt in Fuliza. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to come to your browser, come and click star 234 hash. Then once you click star 43, you will opt sim number 1. After opting sim number 1, we will see that we have 0 option for Fuliza Mpesa. After Fuliza Mpesa, it will tell us, want to join Mpesa? Great. This service is offered in partnership with our bank, with our bank partners. Get started. I'll be able to click one yes. Once I click yes, it tells me review the terms and conditions of services, fees, and how Safaricom and our bank's partners manage and process your information at www.safaricom.co.ke. So I'll be able to click 9 for more details, and I will be able to accept. Once I accept, I have opted in Fuliza. Your process has been received, and within 1 hour, and will be processed within 1 hour. I can see a message already that has been sent to me, telling me that dear Edward, that you can transact normally on M-pesa, and even with insufficient funds, and accept Fuliza request at the end of the transaction. So we'll come here and confirm whether it really worked. So we'll come in our M-pesa. This is the M-pesa. We'll be able to log in. Once we log in, we'll confirm if it has worked. We can see, once we refresh browser, you can see available Fuliza is 3K. Thank you for sticking with me. This is Lifestyle Tutorials. Thank you.